Your exam starts now. Oh, this is easy. Oh, I'm on fire. This is going surprisingly well. Gary, how are you getting on? I've spelt my name wrong. Roadman Reese, get off your phone. I'm not on it. I can see you. Question 1 is B. Stevie, are you cheating? Yeah, he's cheating on Alice with me. What? What?
Many unbearable hours later.
You have 5 minutes left.
5 minutes later.
Please put down your pens. Gary, how do you think it went? It was a tough start, but I think I've smashed this. Well done, Gary. I've always known deep down you were very good at science. Science? Yes. I thought this was an English exam. No. Oh, bloody hell!